thejapanesepage.com, beginning Japanese phrases.
This week's word is
朝早く
which means early in the morning. Repeat after the speaker.
朝早く朝早く朝早く
This is actually two words, the noun,
朝
which means morning, and the adverb,
早く
which means early, soon, quickly, or swiftly. Let's hear an example sentence.
今日は朝早く起きてジョギングをしました。
Here is the same sentence slowed down. Try to shadow the speaker by repeating a second after the Japanese.
今日は朝早く起きてジョギングをしました。今日は朝早く起きてジョギングをしました。
And one more time at regular speed.
今日は朝早く起きてジョギングをしました。
Do you remember what
朝早く
means? Early in the morning. Now, let's break this sentence down.
今日は
As for today,
朝早く起きて
early in the morning got up and
ジョギングを
jogging
しました。
did.
今日は朝早く起きてジョギングをしました。
Literally, this is, as for today, morning early rose and jogging did. The te form of
起きて
makes the word into a conjunction. Woke up and. Also, a lot of katakana foreign loan words use suru,
ジョギングをしました。
jogged, or did jogging. Here it is two more times. Try to mimic the speaker's sounds and rhythm.
今日は朝早く起きてジョギングをしました。今日は朝早く起きてジョギングをしました。
For more sentences like this, be sure to check out Makoto Plus at thejapanesepage.com/Makoto.
それじゃあまたね。